How to delete search history on Google Maps. In this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to delete your search history within the Google Maps app on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Google Maps app. And the first way to clear your history is going to be select the search bar at the top. And if you see anything in this list that you want to delete, maybe just one search, all you need to do is drag from right to left on it, and you'll see the little red trash can. Keep dragging and it'll disappear, and you will have deleted that from your history. Now, if you want to delete your entire search history on Google Maps or see your search history, all we need to do is go back to where you can see the map here and select the little profile icon to the right of the search bar. So up here in the top right, once in here, select your data in maps, then scroll down, and where it says your search services history, select on, and then under history settings, scroll down and select view and delete saved history. From here, you'll see a history of all of your searches on Google. To filter it down just to maps, in this little top menu here, select maps, and then you'll see your Google Maps search history. Now you can delete specific days, specific entries, and even search on here. If you want to delete everything, select delete, and then delete all time. It'll tell you everything that'll be deleted, but it's going to be your entire search history on Google Maps. So select delete right here, and then there you go. You have now deleted your entire Google Maps search history. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.